felt that Sunday we brought him in, we watched the tape, we started our prep on Army in a non-physical fashion. There's twofold reason. One was, yes, to let the players, that was a really physical game. On offense, we had a very physical game plan, and on defense, we took some hits here. So we had more chance for them to recover before we have a hard physical practice, and then more time to prepare as a staff for our game plan, because we got to really be right. See, we came off a bye. We're still a transitioning young program, essentially, with a new staff. We spent 2 weeks preparing for Florida State, and so even though it's a normal week now, it'll feel like a short week, even though it's not. And so I want to make sure that the decisions we make from a game planning standpoint are really accurate, because when Tuesday's over, Tuesday's gone, and then there's 1 day left with those pads on to get ready for a completely different style of defense and offense.
Yeah, if you had worked them today, you probably would not have gotten that intensity, that sharpness that you would have been looking for.
That was our judgment. Yeah. That we needed another day, both for the intensity from our players and being accurate in what we're putting forward for them. Right. It's hard to turn that thing around. I mean, that was an intense. I can tell you, I was still, completely exhausted yesterday. And that's how much I know how much went into that game. Not only in the preparation, but the intensity of the actual game. In terms of, I thought the coaches and the players really, unloaded on that game. And so I thought this was in our best interest to handle the week this way.
You talked about